Okay, so we will create 3D residential house from 2D floor plan. Let's take polysolid command for the wall. Okay, so we have plan here, and we go to isometric view. Okay, so these are the walls. Let's start. Polysolid height here is, I just put it 3 meters. Now we have 3 meters. Then the width is, I put 0.15 because my wall is 0.15. Then justification is J for justification. I put it right. Okay, so let's start. Here is the wall. Okay, it's the wall. Okay, so here we have wall. So walls to here. Okay, to here. Also here. Okay, so we have wall also here. Let's just put okay. Then what for this? Okay, then you have the external wall. Let's see. Okay, you have the external wall. Then let's put the interior wall. Go back. Just go to the other view. So we have here. Parallel. So what? Polysolid again. I think the width here is just 0.1 for the internal wall. Okay. So we have here. Okay, then let's just make some. Okay, right. Okay, put it here because we have. So now next is we will extrude the concrete column, which is this rectangle or those red rectangles you will see. Let's select this. Okay, so we will just make it wireframe. Select this red. This is the problem. Better to use the hardware mouse when you're creating 3D. Here I'm using wireless. Okay, so there is here also. Here we have here. We have here also. We have here. Okay. We have another one. Then extrude, ext, extrude. Height of extrusion is, let us make it 3. Then there you go, you have. Okay. Then you have. Oh. This one is for the pens. We can make it later. Just remove this. So we have now the perimeter wall. Okay. So next is we are going to have some openings for the doors and windows. So let's go back to the 2D wireframe. So I think we start here from the entrance. This is our door opening. So let's just create a rectangle here. Okay. Extrude it, then make it 2.1. So then subtract, SU for subtract, select object, enter, then subtract your door. Oh, what happened? What happened? Okay, SU, select your wall, select your door. I think there is some issue here. Okay. There's some double line here. Okay. So better to create. Perpendicular. Okay. So extrude 2.1. SU, enter. So let's see. Okay, you have the opening is now. Next one is another one. EXT. Let's make it 1.5. Okay. Y is 0.7, Z is 0.6. So let's just make it 1.2. 1.2. Okay. So just measuring the distance from the 0.9. So I'll move it 0.9 just to align with the window, the door, just to align with the door. Technically should be, the window should be aligned with the door. Okay, so we have here, we need to subtract this SU. Object to subtract. Pick. Oh, pick. Okay. Pick. Cool. Subtract, pick. Okay. Now you have the opening, wall opening. This is just typical, so we do something, some opening also here. This is 1.2, then move it 0.9 so that this is aligned with the door. Subtract, then we have already the opening here. Okay, so right. So this is for now, guys. This is typical for creating 3D